Hey guys, this is Alex from Rhino Films and Detailing. Welcome to Rhino Films Spring Fest 2024. We have a full variety of films that you can pick out of, all the shades and colors. We specialize in vinyl wraps, PPF, window tint. This is our detailing facility where we get all the dirty work done. We do our caliper paints, the detailing ceramic coating, all the car preps. This is our clean room. This is where we do most of our wraps and films and things like that. We make it pretty much the doors are closed and climate controlled. This is where usually the magic happens for all of our wraps and films and paint protection films.